Hi, my name is Devin Watson, Chief Marketing Officer at Diebold Nixdorf. We're here today with Dom Hasler, Vice President of Global Field Service for the company. And today we want to talk about Diebold Nixdorf All Connect services. So Dom, when I think about services and I look at how it's talked about in the industry, there's a lot of buzzwords, quality, service excellence, uptime, etc. Let's unpack that a little bit and kind of understand what's underneath the hood. So maybe to start, when our customers are talking about a decision around insourcing versus outsourcing, where are they starting from? What's the thought process there?
That's a good question, Devin. From what I've seen, the challenge of measuring the total cost of ownership is a bit of an unknown to a lot of our customers and FIs and the retailers. And as a result, many often think it's just easier, cheaper, more expedient to take that do-it-yourself approach. And managing their operation is the most cost-effective way to go in their mind. The expense just isn't evident to them, and there's some uncertainty with how it impacts their total cost of ownership. They assume that it's just the cheaper path to take. However, by outsourcing certain aspects of their operation to Diebold Nixdorf, they can actually reduce and control their expenses, especially soft costs like productivity, speed to market with implementation, consumer satisfaction resulting from improved availability. With Diebold Nixdorf All Connect services, we work diligently to provide the key business outcomes like availability, security, and innovation. And overall, we can reduce our customers' total cost of ownership or their cost of operation.
So what's a common misconception you hear when you're talking to customers and kind of educating them on what Diebold Nixdorf can provide?
In today's market, there are so many competitors claiming to offer the same or very near services. But there are differences, and it's crucial that customers break those claims apart to truly understand how similar or dissimilar they really are. Some things are a bit easier to measure or compare, such as guaranteed response or availability. And with Diebold Nixdorf All Connect services, we guarantee to give up to a 99% availability. And I've seen competitive contracts where our competitors can only extend to about 97% availability. Also, we are truly global. We're in 130 countries with 14,000 field service personnel. We have true global reach. A lot of other providers will claim to have global reach, but you can find that when you break down their service offering, they're only limited to one country or one region, and they just do not have the tools or technology to deliver the services that we do.
Now, one of the things I'm hearing a lot about is this general trend away from do-it-yourself to more of an as-a-service model. And it almost seems like that's becoming less of an option and more of a requirement if you really want to be best in class in the banking or shopping experience. Talk to us a little bit more about that.
Okay. Well, Diebold Nixdorf All Connect services powers a suite of integrated business solutions for our customers. This is really important in that it demonstrates that our services infrastructure is flexible enough to power everything from entry-level service options like first-line, second-line maintenance, all the way through to ATM as a service. It's managing enterprise mobility. If that's what's needed, we can optimize it. If it's security solutions to protect an ATM or a store from attack, then we can lock it down with self-service fleet management. In every aspect of the ATM or customer, we can look after it for them, and we can deploy our technology and implement that with total implementation services. Whatever our customer needs, we can be there. We have proven expertise, we have the services to deliver around the world, and we have the people, the processes, the technology to be the strategic partner that our customers really need.
Now, one of the things that's really important in the fintech universe is obviously security. And in our as-a-service offerings, how is that baked into what we do?
So security is one of those areas where there's often a lot of misconceptions when we talk to our customers. But we have an integrated security approach that is woven into every layer of our service propositions. And we have the people, we have the technology, we have the tools to ensure that we safeguard our customers' assets and they can sleep at night when they work with us.
So thanks, Dom. Again, Vice President of Global Field Services at Diebold Nixdorf, talking to us about how our 14,000 service professionals and data centers around the world power our customer base. Your team powered by ours.
Thanks, Devin. Good to talk to you.